Wow. Thanks for setting this up for us today.
You're welcome.
I love the beach, especially
Yeah,
whenever
me
it's
too.
sunset. Like, it's so pretty.
Yeah, look how pretty it is.
No, I'm so happy you brought us here.
Me too. Now we can do some shoveling. Yeah.
Okay.
Shoveling.
Whatever. Okay.
Now I'm gonna tan.
Girl, you're already tan, but okay.
Dogs can tan.
I want to get tan. Badly.
You want to get tan so bad?
I'm not tan yet.
Who cares? I'm brown.
Hello. Hello. Someone.
Oh. Yeah, I heard something.
Yeah, it was kind of creepy.
Yeah. We're alone here.
Right? I thought so.
I'm gonna go check.
Okay. I guess I'll go check over here. No! What is that? What is this thing? What is it? Ew! Run! Wait. Are you okay? Wait, what's wrong? That was the end of them, and that was the only time we saw them ever.
Again.
Ever.
Again. Until 5 months later. Oh, there we go. There we go.
I got our beach shows set open.
Perfect. Just scoot it out a little bit. There we go.
I'm gonna go ahead to the water, and you said you were tanning, right?
Actually, no. I would like to go with you.
Okay. Okay, now we need a water scene. You ready?
Yeah, it's gonna run.
Hey, what's this? It's a floating thing.
It's like a floating water house.
Yeah, that's a thing. Let's go in.
Wait, maybe you should knock on the door. Maybe someone lives there.
Yeah. In the water? Okay. Hello, children.
I'm 14 and he's 15.
Yeah, we're pretty, like, we're teens, not kids. Whatever. Can you? What are you doing here?
We were just wondering, what is this place and what's in the middle of the ocean? Well,
Yeah.
not in the middle of it, but
In the
the coast,
yeah.
at the beach. And why is and like also I was kind of wondering, do you know where those like 2 pets went missing a month ago?
No, certainly not. No, certainly not. I've never heard of it. Oh.
Well, maybe you guys are hungry. Are you hungry?
Yeah, we got some turkey. It's nice and fresh.
I don't really like turkey. I kind of like fruit. Oh, we have fruit. Come on in.
I'm on a diet. I like salad.
Oh, the salad. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Salad. You know, maybe this is a bad idea. We have some food. No! Go in! Get in! Ow! Okay. Come on, guys.
Lost mine. Oh, sorry. Okay, you'll need to get out. Who needs you here? See you later. Go to the ocean.
Let's go take
bring
her.
her upstairs, yeah, bro. Okay, you lady. Where do we put her? You Hey, just do her food.
Oh yes, food. It's feeding time.
There you go. There you go. You can have some bananas. And you I don't know about you.
Wait, no, you idiot! You don't put the food in there. They only get one piece of food a day.
Oh.
You idiot!
Bro, y'all can't judge me. I've only been here for a week.
You're really stupid.
We're all stupid, aren't we?
I'm more capable than you.
You think you're so cool. We need her in a smaller stand. She's not that fat.
Yeah,
Let's put her in this one. We just got it.
it's really nice and stinky. No, don't close the door. She'll suffocate.
Yeah, sorry.
She doesn't want her dead. The boss.
Oh yeah. We're gonna turn her into an alien.
No,
What?
we're turning them into new LPS, you idiot.
Sorry. Sorry. You're so weak now.
Where am I? Wait, you're that cat that got lost. That got like stolen or something.
Yeah. It's just this crazy psycho lady took us. It was very scary.
Where's my boyfriend?
Oh, I thought I heard them saying they threw him out the window and it
What?
was drowning. Yeah.
He's okay, right? I gotta go.
You can't.
Why?
There's a few other things that. So, number one, those are her list. That's all the old LPS she wants. And the second thing is, you only get a bit of food if they leave it here. Number three, you can't leave the room.
Why?
Remember, she captured you. You can't leave the room.
Seriously?
I know, it's so stupid.
Hey, this is the other girl.
Yeah. Yeah, we were at the beach together. And then some psycho cow and goose monstrosity thing came after me.
Oh, I'm sorry that happened.
Yeah, hold on, let me wake her up.
What are you doing?
We got a new person here.
Seriously? That really sucks.
And,
I mean, they're planning to get the mascot of the channel. The YouTube channel.
they are.
Yeah, it says the mascot.
It does? She must have just added that. I didn't see that there yesterday.
That's their number one thing.
They've all captured all of us. Oh, who are you?
Oh, my name's Molly.
She captured you too?
Apparently.
I heard there was a boyfriend here too.
Yeah, apparently they threw him out the window and I can't go rescue him. To me, it should probably be the other way though.
Wait, I hear footsteps.
Me
Guys, go back.
It's time to go to bed, right?
Yeah. Yeah. So are you all in your spots? Mm-hmm.
Yes. And why are you planning to get the mascot of the YouTube channel?
Because I can.
No, you can't.
Yeah, we can. We've captured all of you. Sure thing, the mascot. Kidding, man. Ah! Stop. Yeah, you go over there now. Yeah, you stay there, you stay there. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, I want it right there. Right there. Mascot's next.
No. I mean, yeah.
so glad you brought me on this beach day.
Yeah. Hey, but whose stuff is this? It looks like Molly's.
And who cares? She's probably like out somewhere. Hold on, let me text her. Well, I'll call her.
Wait, stop.
Okay.
I'm just texting Lizzie about this because she needs to know.
Where's the ringing come from? It's because no one's picking up. Hey, look, it's Molly's bag. What's in there?
Her phone.
Why would she ever leave her phone? She never leaves her phone.
What's that?
Huh? I don't know.
I don't think it's safe.
I'm gonna leave my glasses here.
Babe, I don't think it's safe.
What are you talking about?
Make sure you bring your phone, okay?
Oh, just in case?
Yeah.
It's waterproof anyway, so.
You have no idea what could happen. Like, what if they're missing, like those two girls got missing a month ago?
It's fine.
Babe, do you think it's okay?
I think it's perfectly fine, you know?
Yeah, but it's a good idea to bring our phone.
Yeah.
Where is my phone?
I don't
there
have
it is.
mine with me.
Yeah, we have our phone, those. So,
Okay.
let's swim. The phone's in your pocket, right?
Yeah. It's fine.
Okay, who's gonna open the door? How about me? Ah, rude.
It's fine, okay?
Girls, I suggest you get behind. Just in
Fine.
case.
Okay.
We are kind of the most important ones.
Right.
Because you're kind of the other mascot for the other channel coming up.
Yeah, so I'm technically a mascot.
Okay, I'm gonna knock, right? Or you?
I'll knock.
Hello?
Oh, hello.
Hello, children.
Oh, goodness. I'm gonna go back to the beach.
Yeah.
She sounds like a witch.
Yeah, I know. Why she sounds so evil?
She looked at me like she
Wanted you.
Yeah. I mean, I think maybe I should just stay over here.
Yeah, I'll go, okay? It's because she probably doesn't want me. She just looked at you.
Yeah, I'm gonna get my phone out. Ready.
Just in case. Can you take my phone just in case if certain reasons?
Yeah. I'll text her dad or something.
Wait, can you just take a picture of the lady real quick? So, just in case.
I'll take it with my phone.
Okay. Guys, move. Okay. What do you want, lady?
She doesn't want, you don't want anything, right?
I don't know. I just cooked some turkey. Don't touch me.
We hate turkey. We do.
I love it.
But I hate it. You're just an idiot.
Come on. It's nice and fresh.
No, we're not eating any turkey here.
I'm going.
No, you don't know who she is.
Too bad. He's going to go eat that turkey. I'll go with him.
No. Babe. I'm gonna stay back here with her. Okay? I mean, I don't think it's... You have him. I mean, he's strong.
I thought you were coming with me.
I will.
Nice. Hey everyone. Where's everyone at?
Well, you see...
Drink some ice cream. It will calm you down.
Well, you see, they went into that shack over there.
What shack? Oh. Okay.
And then there's like creepy witch lady came out. And I mean, my boyfriends and well, he's not a jerk. I love him. But he's like a turkey lover weirdo. And he like ran for the turkey that she said was in there. And he like didn't even like listen to his friend. Ethan, and then they just all went in there.
Oh,
She,
I'll go.
I stayed. No, you're the only one I have back. But wait, should I go in? I'm taking my phone.
Okay.
Let me put it in.
Who needs the door now?
Wait, no. I want you to see who she is.
Okay. I'll knock. Hello, children.
She's creepy, right?
Who said who was creepy?
You.
I want to come in. Oh, that's perfectly fine. You coming, Kimberly?
I'm thinking. Wait.
Okay.
Maybe I shouldn't go. Maybe we shouldn't go.
Wait, if
What was that? That would sound like Molly. Molly?
I don't know who Molly is. I'm sorry. Yeah, you can just go on in.
Molly!
Where's the turkey?
Dude, you're such a idiot sometimes.
Oh, the turkey is upstairs and the room upstairs. Come with me.
Maybe I should wait here. Is it okay if I sit
I'm gonna go.
sit in this couch over here?
I'm gonna go for the life of me.
Why? Okay.
Okay. At least there's turkey.
Molly! Molly!
Wait, what are you talking about Molly for? Oh yeah, forgot. We're in the beach house.
Yeah, I heard her scream.
That's Molly?
Where is she?
Oh, I don't know. It sounded like Molly. Let's go. Oh, look, there's stairs over there. Let's go.
The turkey!
Oh, my dog.
Oh my God.
Holy double crap! Save us! Save us! Save us, Jake!
I was just in here for turkey.
Jake, you got fooled, okay?
Yeah, we all did. Who even
Likes
about it?
turkey. Jake, you have to go.
Okay, I'll go.
You have to run out of here. You have to get out soon. Get all your friends. Wait.
The door's open.
Wait a second. Please don't tell me that Kimberly was with you.
Yeah, Kimberly was with us. I'm
Go
not sure if she came though.
Look at the wanted board. Because she's in trouble.
Well, she got 3 short hair cats now. The mascot. They also have the mascot of the other channel.
What? That is insane. Okay, how did they get her?
Oh, they were all with us.
Oh my dog.
So
Wait.
everyone, you guys.
Wait, they had phones. They had phones, right?
I think Kimberly and everyone left their phones at the beach. I think they put them in their pockets and then I think they left.
So they don't have their phones?
Don't think so.
Crap. What's going on? Why is there cages everywhere?
Yeah.
You were fooled, you idiots!
So you're calling me an idiot?
Yes, she is. Thank you. 'Cause you are an idiot sometimes.
You're an idiot too. You came here too.
I was the one who didn't really want to come, but my girlfriend came, so I had to come.
Probably because you were the scaredy cat and she actually wanted to come and be braver than you.
No, I just don't want everyone to die. He has a point. Cause
I mean, no one's gonna die here, okay?
who knocks on a stranger's door and then says, "Oh, you can come in for
He's like, shut up.
turkey"? Yeah.
Don't touch me.
Boyfriend.
Yeah, probably not after, but okay. So, you know, we just walked in, right? You guys can leave.
Oh yeah. Look at the laser.
Oh, yeah. How'd you get past the lasers?
Oh, there's no lasers.
Yeah.
Where did the lasers come from? Oh no.
Oh, God. Wait, look, there's a pressure plate there. What the heck?
Well, I think we're all stupid now.
Finally, you admitted it.
Wait! At least isn't Kimberly back at the beach with Charlotte?
I thought I heard her come in just a few minutes ago.
Oh wait, yeah, I did. Someone scream Molly. Oh, someone wants me.
Yeah, apparently.
I mean, I only screamed like 2 times.
I think Kimberly screamed Molly.
Yeah.
Mom.
What's going on?
Kimberly. Charlotte, what are you guys doing here?
Well, I kind of